I'm going to say something and it's going to sound completely opposite.
That was Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA. You know, the company that makes your favorite AI tools work like magic. And let's not forget, NVIDIA isn't just making waves in AI tools. Their revenue has skyrocketed from around $10 billion in 2020 to over $35 billion in 2024, and their stock price. Let's just say it's been climbing faster than your Wi-Fi bill. NVIDIA's stock has grown 2,200% since 2020. That's 24 times. Only if I had money and was wise enough to have invested back then when everyone else was panicking about COVID. But back to the main story, Jensen was at the World Summit in UAE sharing his thoughts on where AI is headed.
Well, first of all, these are amazing times. These are amazing times because we're at the beginning of a new industrial revolution. Production of energy through steam, production of electricity, IT and information revolution with PC and internet, then now artificial intelligence.
Amazing times? Sure, Jensen, if by amazing you mean robots stealing jobs faster than I can finish my homework. But seriously, we're living in what some call the AI industrial revolution. And no, it's not as boring as it sounds. AI is like that kid in group projects who does all the work while everyone else slacks off.
Rate of innovation, one of the greatest contributions we made was advancing computing and advancing AI by 1 million times.
1 million times better? That's like going from a flip phone to a smartphone in 10 years. Oh wait, we did do that. Moving on. And of course, Jensen couldn't resist hyping up NVIDIA.
Researchers all over the world would tell you that NVIDIA single-handedly democratized high-performance computing.
We're the reason your AI-powered gadgets don't suck. Thanks, Jensen. But here's where it gets spicy and why you clicked on the video. He said kids don't need to learn programming anymore. Yep, you heard that right. Let's roll the clip.
It is vital that your children learn computer science. Everybody should learn how to program.
Wait, that was the wrong part of the clip. Let's try again.
And in fact, it's almost exactly the opposite. It is our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program.
Yeah, you're not dreaming. He actually said that. But before you toss your coding textbooks in the shredder, let's break it down. Spoiler. Coding isn't going extinct, but it's definitely getting a remix. For years, learn to code was like the avocado toast of career advice. Trendy, overused, and kind of annoying. But now, Jensen's flipping the script. He says,
and that the programming language is human. Everybody in the world is now a programmer.
Okay, so we're all programmers now? Cool. Guess I'll just add tech wizard to my grandma's LinkedIn. But what he really means is something called prompt engineering, the art of telling AI exactly what you want it to do without the trial and error mess.
This is the miracle. This is the miracle of artificial intelligence.
So basically, prompt engineering is like learning to tell your AI assistant, hey, make me a peanut butter and jam, without ending up with peanut butter on your face. Simple, right? At SynthMinds, a friend of mine's workplace, they've been training people, over 20,000 of them, from beginners to pros, to master tools like ChatGPT and Copilot. The secret? Learning to ask the right questions. It's not about coding anymore. It's about being smart about what you ask for. Because guess what? Everyone's a programmer now. Even your grandma yelling at Alexa counts.
Alexa, turn it off, bitch!
Because for the very first time, you can imagine everybody in your company being a technologist.
So, Carl in HR is automating workflows, and your dog walker is making AI pet care schedules. What a time to be alive. But hold up, does this mean coding is useless now? Nope. Coding is still the ultimate teacher for problem solving. And guess what? Problem solving will always be cool. Even Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, says understanding how systems work is still important. It's like driving a car. You don't need to build the engine, but knowing how to change a tire will come handy. So where does this leave us? Somewhere between prompts are the future and code isn't dead yet. It's all about balance. Learn to talk to AI, but don't forget how to think logically and creatively.
For the very first time, we have closed the gap. The technology divide has been completely closed.
What Jensen said about life sciences also got some attention.
If I were to do it over again right now, I would realize that the technology to turn life engineering.
Some people think this means he'd study biology if he had a do-over. But with a $120 billion net worth, I'm guessing he's fine with his choices. But what I think he is saying is that the next frontier isn't just about making tech smarter. It's about merging tech with life itself. Think about it. Designing enzymes that can clean up pollution, engineering proteins to create new medicines, or even 3D printing organs. It's like science fiction, except it's already happening.
AI, we're seeing several AI revolutions happening at the same time. AI for language, AI for biology, learning the language of proteins and chemicals, AI for physical sciences, learning the AI of climate, materials, energy discovery, AI of IoT, the language of keeping places safe, computer vision and such, AI for IoT, AI for robotics and autonomous systems, manufacturing and such.
So, what does this mean for us? AI is leveling the playing field. Whether you're a programmer, a designer, or someone who just loves cool gadgets, the opportunities are endless. You don't need to memorize code, you just need to think creatively. But let's be real. The real question isn't whether AI will replace programming. The real question is, how soon before AI starts writing my emails? Oh wait, it already does. What do you think? Ready to dive into AI prompts, or are you still wanting to hold on to your Python cheat sheets for dear life? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them.